Let's make some irresistible fruit-filled hot cross buns. You'll need 1 tablespoon of dried yeast, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, 1 1/4 cups of warmed milk. Add the dry yeast and the caster sugar to the milk and whisk to combine. Set aside for 5 to 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Let's start on the dry ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 1/2 teaspoons of mixed spice, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 1/4 cup of currants, 3/4 cup of sultanas, 4 cups of plain flour. In a large bowl, sieve 4 cups of plain flour. Halfway through sifting your flour, add the salt and mixed spice and continue sifting. Place caster sugar into the flour. Mix. Add sultanas and currants. Mix. Add vanilla. Yeast mixture is frothy. Time to add the egg and the butter. Whisk to combine. Add the yeast wet mix to the dry ingredients. Using your hand, mix well. Lightly flour your surface and start kneading for 15 minutes. In a large bowl, place hot cross bun mixture, spray a small amount of oil and smooth the oil around the dough. Cover dough with plastic wrap or a tea towel. Leave it to rise for 1 hour. While we wait, let's make the batter for the cross. Place 1/2 cup of flour into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of water. Whisk to a ribbon consistency. Place the mixture into a piping or a Ziploc bag. Set aside. Dough has doubled in size. We now knock the dough back to its original size. Remove from bowl. Cut the dough in half. Cut 12 even portions of the hot cross bun dough. Smooth a portion of the dough into a circle, then move the dough in circular motion until it resembles a bun shape. Continue with all portions. Line a baking tray. Place the buns on the baking tray. Cover for 10 minutes. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Snip the tip of the piping bag. Remove plastic. Pipe across over each hot cross bun. Cook in a preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes. 1 tablespoon of apricot jam, heated in the microwave for 15 seconds. Carefully add 1 teaspoon of water to the hot jam. Strain. When hot cross buns are cooked, remove from the oven and glaze each bun. These amazing fruit-filled hot cross buns can be enjoyed with butter, jam, or even cream. Comment below what your favourite Easter treat is. Subscribe and have a fantastic day.